Hey, good morning, guys. We had to get up early before sun up and get camp broke down. Everybody got to get back today, so we got all that taken care of this morning. Skip breakfast again. Seems to be the mantra for this trip is not breakfast, but I wanted to come up here and get another shot of this overlook before I head out. It is gorgeous up here. Apparently we had coyotes come into camp last night, so always be vigilant of your surroundings and such. Put your trash up and that kind of thing. Food. Nothing was messed with, they just seen them. But man, this view is spectacular. You can see where the cabins and stuff are. You can see the smoke haze over there, out there, where the houses and stuff are. It's burning wood. It's pretty neat. Gorgeous up here, gorgeous. So yeah, I can't remember exactly what this is called. It's on Blue Mountain in Oklahoma, so I'll actually put the name of it in the description and probably above me talking right now. So it is worth a trip up here. It's really not that bad. You don't have to have nothing like we got to get up here on this particular one. So yeah, it's a hell of a view. But we are fixing to head out. I think we might be backtracking some. He might have left his tripod on the side of the road. So I think we're gonna go look for it. So we'll see y'all in a bit. I think you pulled your tripod out at the low water crossing.
Yeah, I figured what we probably just do is just start backtracking, and if we get to where we thought it was, then if it's not there, then we'll just go.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's there at the low water crossing.
Is there a faster way to get to that, or we were just gonna follow the route back?
Well, the low water crossing wasn't that far from here. It was towards the end of that last trail, the long trail.
Yeah, the problem is looking back on the camera, I always take my camera off first and load it back up, and I can see what the last shot was, and that might give me an idea of where to start. I'll have Kayla grab the camera real quick. Yeah, Kayla says she thinks it's the water crossing.
That's what I thought, yeah. Good thing is it's not near as bad up to that point.
Yeah.
I was dragging a limb behind me. I had to stop and pull it out from under the truck.
Oh, snap, okay. I was just thinking we didn't really hit any traffic on any of these roads. We didn't pass a single person, so maybe it is still there. And I'm hoping it is.
Yeah, because I think you had it up in the woods. So if it's still hidden there, probably nobody's seen it if they came through.
Yeah, I think we probably just got busy talking or something, and I just didn't realize I didn't load it back up.
I'm not seeing it. Well, unfortunately, it's not there. So, that sucks. Somebody picked it up. Alright guys, what I was saying was it sucks that it wasn't there. The camera died, so, but we're fixing to say our goodbyes here, and they got to get back home, and I'm gonna hit a few more trails and probably do the same.
Let's do Dan's thing first, that way he's...
Oh, I was just...
We're not holding the camera. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I was just gonna say it was good traveling. Sucks about the tripod, man.
Oh, that's all right. We'll be
that
all
blows.
right.
I've been looking those things up. They are not cheap.
Yeah, no, that one's a fluid head tripod too. It's a cinema tripod. It's not.
We're definitely gonna have to do this again.
Yeah,
for sure.
For sure, for sure.
Yeah, it's been a good trip.
It has been. It's been a great trip. Thanks for inviting us on this trip today. We had so much fun. We had both those fire lookout towers, one that wasn't there and the one that we got to walk up to, and we got to see a bald eagle. That was pretty cool.
Yeah. Yeah.
But we left the tripod. We decided we were gonna double back and try and see if we couldn't find the tripod, and it's gone. So
yeah,
rest
unfortunately.
in pieces, tripod.
Well, maybe you'll get home and go to cleaning out your Jeep and find it buried
somewhere. Probably not, but maybe. I'm hoping still.
Fingers crossed.
All right, well, that's gonna do it from us. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see y'all in the next one.
Y'all take it easy. Yeah, that's gonna do it for us too. I'm gonna get back on trail. They're fixing the air up, and I'm gonna go find something to get into before I head home. So y'all take it. I'll see y'all in a little bit. All right. Well, we just went our separate ways. They're airing up, and I'm going to get a little fuel. And if there's anything in between here and the house, I may go ahead and check it out. So we'll have to see. I didn't get a chance to look. I gotta get some fuel first. But who knows what'll come up, man. Doing this, always run into neat stuff. Just, you know, kind of happens that way. So we'll see what we can get into. right, so this is that, I think this is the water crossing Josh was talking about the other day. No, surely not. Wow. Surely not. Or it used to be. It's washed out now. Okay. I don't know if you can see it. See the road there. And the other side of the road, but it's the middle's washed out. And they've pulled it all up so you can't cross it anymore. Alright. So let's see what we got down here. River crossing is what he called it. That was cool. Pull up my Gaia. Yeah, even Gaia's got it on here. But it's gone. Unless it's further up here. There's a little trail here, so we're going to take it and see. No, I think it was back there. It looks like it was back there. Where'd it go? Yeah. This might be another water crossing though. Yeah, it's another water crossing. A little deep for my blood. It's got people going across it according to the Gaia, so it's too deep for me though. We're gonna turn around here. Mark, this is a little campsite though. That's kind of neat. I don't know that I would camp here, being this close to the highway, but it's an option. You're right on the river. I mean, so if you like to fish or whatnot, that wouldn't be that bad, really. But there used to be a road across that, it looks like, and it's either washed out or they've removed it. It is. It's moving pretty good. I don't know it's going to show it with the sun, but yeah, on the other side of the road, the Gaia's got it as a road all the way across. So All right, I just wanted to stop and check it out since we're here and we didn't get to come the other day, so it's pretty neat. Would have been cool, but I think it's a little high, a little washed out. All right, so I'll bring you back here in a bit. So I found another little trail right off of it. That we're going to check out. It should take us down to the river as well. I don't know if this is an alternate or what, so we'll see. Probably should have waited before I aired up. Or is this a campsite? This might just be a campsite. Yeah, that's what it looks like, a little campsite. Alright, well, now I know. It's a beautiful little spot though. And right here on the river, when you're far enough off the highway, you don't really have to worry about nobody. Gorgeous little campsite. All right, well, I'm gonna mark it and then get back on the road. All right, guys. I had to come all the way back down here to Idabel and get some fuel. So I'm not too far from the house. So I think this is gonna be where we end this trip. It's been a blast. I really enjoyed it. Got to have a good time with a bunch of friends. Got to see some amazing locations, campsites, and trails. It's just been a really, really beautiful trip, and very grateful. And I'm very grateful for my viewers out there. I know what it means to sit and watch videos and stuff. I mean, you're literally paying with your time, and I appreciate it. And I want to thank you guys for all your support and comments and everything. I'm very fortunate and lucky to get to do this as often as I do, and I know that, and I do my absolute best not to take it for granted. So if you would, hit the like, subscribe button, the bell to get notifications, and leave comments, man. I like comments. I like, interaction with people. So, comment below.